Hey guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. If you are new, welcome. So glad to have you. If you are a returner, welcome back. All right guys, so today we are doing a very fun unboxing. I really enjoy this box quite a bit. Even though it's a little pricey, I keep getting it because I truly love it. And there's one aspect of it that really makes it worth it for me every single month, which I'll tell you about in a minute. But it is the Bombay and Cedar unboxing. I don't actually know if this is April's box or if this was March's box. I cannot remember. Maybe it's in here and we'll find out. But what I love about these boxes is you get two organic, all-natural essential oils every single box. And if you've ever purchased essential oils, you know pure grade essential oils are very expensive. Lavender, for example, can be $40 for a little thing of it. So for me, the essential oils really make this box worth it. This box is the large premium box, which retails for $49.95. They do have a mini a mini version, which is $29.99. Now I will let you know, because it does show me in here which items come in the premium and what you would get if you just got the mini, so I'll point that out to you throughout the unboxing as well. I did peek in here. I checked out my essential oils already, so we're going to get in here so that I can actually add these to my essential oil collection. This is the lifestyle unboxing. They do also have a beauty box, which I have not yet gotten, so if you've gotten the beauty box, comment below what you think about it. I'm guessing it's probably all clean beauty. So this says, say hello to the box you didn't know you needed. Seriously, say hi. And it says number 1% for the planet down there on the bottom. So it must be a recyclable box. It's a beautiful box. I actually may use these boxes, I don't know, maybe for Poshmark or for shipping gifts or something in. So, okay, so inside you have a little booklet which tells you all about the month. Oh, this is March, so here we go. We're a little late. I should be getting my May one or my April one anytime now, which had some cool customizable options, and I did pick one of the customized items, and I went and I must have missed the other one, so it looked like we got to maybe customize two and I only did one. So anyway, let's get in. So let's start with our essential oils, since that's what I'm most excited about. First of all, look at the cute packaging they come in. Now I take them out of here and I have a little box that they're in, but I will reuse these little bags because they're so cute. These are great little jewelry bags, travel bags, gift bags, whatever you want. And the two that came is Blissful and Patchouli. And so here is Blissful, and I always like to tell you guys what the notes are, and also what you can do with these oils. So it says Blissful is a proprietary blend of oils designed to add a zest of spice to your daily routine, bright and lively. This oil is great for keeping spirits up. Blissful is an excellent addition for any health-conscious individual. I might need to smell it. Let's smell it. Oh, I like it. So this does have a little spicy, but also like some kind of like orange or fruity scent in it. Let's see what it says. Has pink grapefruit, citrus paradisi, lemon, cassia, cinnamon, ginger, peppermint, and that's it. Okay, so that's the one oil. And the other one we got is patchouli. I don't know if I like the smell of patchouli. I know it's used in like lots of skincare. It's used in like soaps and stuff like that. There's our kitty cat coming to say hello. That's Taz. You guys don't see Taz too often. He's my only boy kitty. Okay, so this one fights depression. It boosts the immune system. It's also a natural deodorant, stops fungal growth, reduces inflammation, enhances mood, and fights infection. And it blends well with bergamot, cedarwood, chamomile, cinnamon, clove, frankincense, ginger, grapefruit, jasmine, lavender, lemongrass, mandarin, myrrh, oily orange, and sandalwood. So I do have some of those, so maybe I'll like this more if I like mix it, especially if it, both of these boost like your immune system and fight depression and like just boost your mood. So they didn't know this was in March. I mean, it was happening in March, but really it was the second half of March that everything started going. So, but this couldn't be more timely right now for the types we need. All right, something else in here. Clean Up Your Act Tech Wipey Pack. Oh, so this is for your tech, like your phone and stuff like that. I don't even see it, number 6, okay. This says dispose 20 disposable cloths in a sweet little resealable carry-along pack. Defunkify your eyeglasses, tablet, laptop, monitor, and phone screen. These will come in handy. I'm going to wipe everything down. These retail for $7.49. The essential oils, each one is $16. So, you know, that's over $30 in essential oils. And then this is $7.49. So there's those. I'm going to absolutely use that. What is this? Usually there's something to eat in here too. So we'll see. Oh, that's what I grabbed. PB Bites. Cocoa Crunch. And these little guys are just $1, and it says they're made with peanuts and toasted, I never can say this word, quinoa, I think. Makes a great and tasty source for a plant-based protein for $1. So if I like those would be a good little treat. I'll probably keep those like at my desk for the workday and try them during the workday. What is this? A cord keeper or something? What is this? Yeah, this is a cord keeper by Tech Candy. Wrangle your USB cord or earbuds with the cord keeper, and it is $4. Just a little, like, will I really actually use that? I don't know. We'll see. All right, then we got something here that looks interesting. Dime 100% pure hyaluronic acid serum, and this one is $28. We're gonna open this up and look at it, but concentrated hyaluronic acid, hush Nitro, hush. It quenches thirsty skin upon application, boosting bounce and delivering intense hydration where it's needed most. It's $28. Nitro's being fussy because Robert is outside mowing the lawn and he can't go out right now because the gate's open and he will escape. And we live by a lot of, like a main road, so the dogs would really get hurt. Okay, so here it is. Now you know, if you, maybe you don't know, with hyaluronic acid, it does need a humidifier to keep it into your skin. If you just put hyaluronic acid on your skin, it will suck the moisture out of your skin, which is the opposite of what you want to do with a hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to boost and plump your skin, so you want to add it to moisturizer or put a moisturizer over it so that it pulls the hydration out of the moisturizer into your skin. So do not use this alone. Make sure you use it with a moisturizer. Just a little tip, because otherwise you end up with drier skin than you think you're doing something good for your skin, and it could actually be backfiring on you. That's something I learned recently, and a couple of the influencers are finally talking about that on YouTube. So that's fabulous. So that is $28 right there. What is in this little guy? Jamais, jetemais. So that's what it says. I don't know. Let's see what this is. It's a water roll-on. Things I love. So this is infused with healing crystals. It's Jamie's water roll-on. Features soft rose floral scent, undertone of earth musk, rose quartz to promote self-love, positive self-esteem. It heals emotional body, heals your heartache and loneliness, eases fears, soothes grief. Quartz clears negativity, heals and aligns the aesthetic and emotional bodies, and this is $24. Rub this all over. So here it is. It's oh, and it's got crystals in it. Looks like it's got amethyst in it to me, and clear quartz. Just like baby, can you guys see that? Just like baby crystals at the bottom. I don't know if it smells because it's a water. If it's just a healing water. Oh, it does smell. Oh, it smells wonderful. Oh, it smells like fresh flowers and roses. Ooh, I like that. That's fabulous. How much is that? $24 for that little guy. I'm going to keep him out because I really like that. All right, there's more in here. I saw this. Oh, I'm glad I got a cute pair anyway. So these are flight compression socks. I saw these and thought, oh, those are the ugliest things I've ever seen. Hold on. Okay, Nitro's just been out of control. I think we think he's got a piece, so Kenzie's taking him out on the leash. All right, so these are compression socks by This Way or Cheryl Lee. Beneficial when running during your workout, skiing, or flying. These socks increase your blood flow, helping sore muscles and tired legs. And they're available in several styles, and they're $12 to $29. So I got gray ones with little pink hearts on them. They're actually really cute, and I will actually save those. if I'm wearing like, you know, sweats, they can be, you can wear them under your sweats. Nobody would know that they go to your ankles. I think they're pretty tall. I wonder if they're soft. Let me take them out of this. No, they're not really soft. They just feel like a sock. Just feel like a normal sock. Maybe like a little bit of stretch or something in them. So anyway, those are really cute too. I saw them in the preview and I was like, I'm not excited about those, but they're cute. All right, this is a brand we got last time as well in our last box. But this is the actual shampoo and conditioner. And I think what we got from this brew company last time was a moisturizer, I'm pretty sure. This is a thickening shampoo and conditioner. Thin Weak Hair Premium Craft Beer. Brew's #1 ingredient is naturally brimming with B vitamins and proteins to make your hair look shiny and strong. Need volume? This vegan alternative to keratin makes fine, flat hair look fuller. I might let Mackenzie try this because she has thin, fine hair. I may try it too because it may just string. I have full hair, but my hair is breaking at the bottom. It just might like seal the ends and make it a little bit more shiny and more and stronger. Barley protein bodifies and caffeine wakes up the follicles. So this is a new company, I believe, and this is in intoxicating citrus cream scent. So we have the, like I said, the shampoo and the conditioner. I do like the moisturizer, which came in the same size bottle. I'm actually excited about this company. So we'll see where this goes. I'm going to see if we see any more about it. But these are $21.98. Now, I don't know if they're each $21.98 or $21.98 for the pair because it doesn't say. But I'm really happy to have that. And then there's something else in the bottom. One final thing. I don't know if this is a journal. It's heavy, whatever it is. All right, so yeah, this is a clutch journal by Fringe Studio. It came in 2 styles. The paperback journals are encased in a soft cover clutch with a zippered pouch flat closure, and it's $36. And let's see if they show a picture of the other. See, these are the socks. Look, those are the socks they showed, and I was like, oh, those are ugly. But I got cute gray ones with pink hearts. I'm happy. All right, so there's a DIY hand sanitizer recipe in here. I already know how to make my own. Yeah, it doesn't say. I was wondering if maybe there was like a picture of the other style of this one, but this is heavy duty. It's very heavy, actually. So, oh, how cute. So here's the zippered pouch, so you could keep some pens in there. And then you have, and it's magnetic closure. And then you have the journal in here. So you can, and oh look, it's got like a spot for like credit cards and things like that, or business cards. That's really cute. So it's just sort of embroidered with like weird stuff on it, like little designs, like little cactuses. I don't really know what that is. Leaves. So it's really nice. It's actually really, really, really nice. Yeah, I like that. I'll use that. So that's fabulous. So that was my March Bombay and Cedar. And let me tell you what did not come. Okay, so the premium box was valued between $166 and $183, which is the box value I got. And then the mini box was $80 to $97. So usually, okay, so the things that you got extra in the premium box were that little cord keeper thing. I don't know where I put it. So this was extra. You got the shampoo and conditioner. That was extra. The clutch journal was extra. And this, which I really like, this roll-on. It still smells fabulous. With the healing floral, soft rose, musk, and crystal water was extra. So those were the 4 extra items. Everything else came in the premium and the mini together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up, comment below your favorite item in here, and I hope you guys will continue to subscribe and let me know if you're getting my notifications. If you are getting it and if you've made my video this far, put a blue heart down below. That lets me know you're subscribed and you're getting my notifications, because it's showing me only like 11 or 13% of you guys are finding my videos through my notifications. So I'm just curious how you're finding me. I'm seeing a lot of people just searching Southern Yankee, but I would love for you guys to be subscribed so that you're getting all the notifications. You're not missing any of our fun videos over here. And I will have my Facebook group page down below, also called Southern Yankee, if you'd like to join that and hang out with us there. Follow me on Instagram, which is Southern Yankee 15. And guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.